To make delicious, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside ground chicken cutlets, you will need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 2-3 medium onions, 3 slices of white bread soaked in the water, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayo, almond flour for coating, and salt, pepper to your taste. I prefer to ground chicken myself, but you can use the one from the store. So grind all the ingredients such as chicken breast, onions, and soaked bread in the meat grinder. Add 2 eggs, salt and black pepper to your taste, and mix it all together. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayo. It will make the cutlets much softer and juicier. Pour vegetable oil on preheated fryer pan. On the plate, prepare almond flour for coating. You can use breadcrumbs if you like. Using the spoon, put the meat mixture on the plate with almond flour. Roll it in the flour and form the patties. And start frying the cutlets. Cook your patties on a medium heat for about 10 minutes on each side until they're golden from outside and no more pink in the inside. And just like that, you have your tasty, delicious dinner. You can serve the cutlets with your favorite side dish or just with the salad. They are crispy on outside and juicy on the inside. Enjoy! Also, visit my channel for chicken cutlets and almond flour recipe and let me know which one you like. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.